Flax seeds can be a superfood or a hidden health hazard. It all depends on how you eat them. These tiny brown or golden seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber, which research shows can lower cholesterol, balance hormones, improve digestion, and even support heart health. But here's the catch. If you use them the wrong way, you'll miss every single benefit, or worse, end up with painful side effects. And most people are guilty of at least one of these mistakes. If you've got a bag of flax seeds sitting in your kitchen right now, stay with me for the next few minutes, because this could save you wasted money, wasted time, and a lot of digestive trouble. On the surface, flax seeds look harmless. They're tiny and easy to sprinkle into smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. But your body isn't designed to digest them whole, and that's just the beginning. The wrong preparation and storage habits can leave you bloated, nutrient-depleted, or even eating flax seeds that have already gone rancid. There are 3 big mistakes people make with flax seeds. 1. Eating them whole. 2. Eating too much too soon. 3. Storing them wrong. Each one can completely undo the benefits flax seeds are supposed to deliver. Mistake number 1. Eating flax seeds whole. This is the most common mistake. The hard outer shell of a flax seed is virtually indigestible. When you eat them whole, they pass straight through your gut, unchanged. That means the omega-3s, lignans, and fiber inside never make it into your bloodstream. Think of it like buying a safe full of gold, but never having the key to open it. The nutrients are there, but locked away. A 2012 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology confirmed that grinding flax seeds dramatically increases the bioavailability of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, the plant-based omega-3 fatty acid linked to heart and brain health. Always eat flax seeds ground. You can buy pre-ground flax meal or grind them yourself in a coffee grinder. Just be careful. Once ground, flax seeds spoil quickly because their delicate oils oxidize. Only grind small amounts at a time. Mistake number 2, eating too much too soon. Flax seeds are extremely high in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 4 grams of fiber. That's almost 15% of your daily requirement. If your body isn't used to that much, jumping in too fast can cause bloating, gas, stomach cramps, or even constipation. I've seen people go from 0 flax seeds to 4 tablespoons a day, and then wonder why their stomach feels like a balloon. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, sudden increases in dietary fiber can cause intestinal discomfort because gut bacteria ferment the fiber, producing excess gas. Gradual adaptation is key. Start with just 1 teaspoon per day and let your gut microbiome adjust. Slowly work your way up to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. That's enough to reap the benefits without wrecking your digestion. Mistake number 3, storing flax seeds wrong. Here's the sneaky mistake. Flax seeds can spoil faster than you think. The healthy fats inside them, omega-3s, are highly sensitive to light, air, and heat. If stored incorrectly, they turn rancid. Not only do you lose their health benefits, but rancid oils create harmful compounds called lipid peroxides, which may increase inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. A study published in Food Chemistry found that ground flax seeds stored at room temperature developed rancidity markers within just a few weeks, while refrigeration slowed the process dramatically. Fix it. Whole flax seeds can be stored at room temperature in a dark, airtight container for up to a year. Ground flax seeds must be refrigerated or frozen in an airtight container. Always check the smell. If it's fishy or bitter, they've gone bad. Toss them out. When prepared properly, flax seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can add to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, support heart and brain health, reduce inflammation. Lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and estrogen-modulating effects. Clinical studies suggest they may reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers like breast cancer. Soluble fiber, helps lower LDL cholesterol by binding bile acids in the gut. Insoluble fiber, promotes regular bowel movements and a healthy gut microbiome. The right way to use flax seeds. 1. Always grind them. Unlocks their nutrients. 2. Store them properly. Whole seeds at room temp. Ground seeds in fridge or freezer. 3. Start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon, then increase gradually. 4. Add them smartly. Mix into smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods at moderate heat, since high temps degrade omega-3s. What happens when you eat flax seeds the right way? better digestion, soluble and insoluble fibers at work. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in your intestines. This slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and softens stool. It also feeds your beneficial gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate that nourish the colon lining and reduce inflammation. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, speeding up intestinal transit and preventing constipation. Together, they act like an internal broom, keeping your digestive system clean, regular, and balanced. A clinical trial in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular flax consumption improved stool frequency and reduced constipation symptoms in adults. Lower cholesterol, natural bile acid binders. Soluble fiber in flax seeds binds to bile acids in the gut. Since bile is made from cholesterol, binding and excreting it forces the liver to pull more cholesterol out of the bloodstream to make new bile. A 2015 meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that flaxseed supplementation significantly lowered total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, especially in postmenopausal women. This means eating flax properly can directly lower your cardiovascular risk. Reduced inflammation, thanks to ALA omega-3s. Flax seeds are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a precursor to EPA and DHA, the omega-3s found in fish oil. ALA reduces the production of inflammatory molecules, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. Animal and human studies published in nutrition reviews show that flax-derived ALA can lower markers of inflammation, protect blood vessels, and improve arterial flexibility. This anti-inflammatory effect supports not just heart health, but also joint comfort, brain function, and immune balance. Hormonal support, the power of lignans. Flax seeds are the #1 dietary source of lignans, phytoestrogens that act as natural hormone balancers. In women, lignans can bind to estrogen receptors, weakening excess estrogen activity when levels are high and boosting it when levels are low, like during menopause. A study in Menopause Journal found that flax supplementation reduced hot flashes and improved quality of life in postmenopausal women. In men, lignans may reduce the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, supporting prostate health. In short, lignans act as gentle hormone regulators, protecting against imbalances that drive cancer, bone loss, or menopausal discomfort. Steadier mood and energy, gut-brain connection. When flax fiber nourishes your gut microbiome, it produces SCFAs that directly influence your nervous system and mood. SCFAs like butyrate lower gut inflammation and improve intestinal barrier integrity, preventing leaky gut. A healthier gut translates into better serotonin production, since about 90% of serotonin is made in the gut, leading to more stable mood and energy levels. Additionally, stable blood sugar from soluble fiber helps prevent the energy crashes and irritability that come from rapid glucose swings. This makes flax a subtle but powerful mood stabilizer and energy booster. Flax seeds are like tiny treasure chests filled with omega-3s, lignans, and fibers. But you only unlock these treasures if you eat them correctly, ground, stored properly, and introduced gradually into your diet. Digestive health, smoother bowel movements, reduced constipation. Heart health, lower cholesterol, reduced inflammation. Hormonal balance, especially valuable for women in menopause and men's prostate health. Energy and mood, stabilized by a stronger gut-brain connection. Eat them whole, and you waste their potential. Eat them right, and they can transform your digestion, heart, hormones, and overall vitality. Golden rule: grind. Store smart. Start small. If you learned something new today, hit the like button so more people can avoid these mistakes. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into superfoods like blueberries, pumpkin seeds, and other nutrient-packed foods that could be sitting in your kitchen right now.